Hello everyone. Today we are bringing Agentic AI to your favorite cohort. FBA, First Break AI, is now fully agentic. We are using MCP Model Context Protocol via our cohort website, as well as we are using a custom CLI to ship custom learning to all the cohort participants. This is a first fully agentic AI cohort. AI agents that guide you from journey to from your first commit to capstone. So let's look at how we can work with agentic AI. Our main entry point or meeting point for First Break AI is Discord server. So the first step is obviously to enroll via Discord. The Discord link is given on the homepage itself. The homepage of this website is cohort.bubblenet.com, which is BUBBLNET, right? There you go. On the bottom right of the cohort page, you will see Ask Anything. This is the widget which exposes your model context protocol. So we'll log out first, and then you will see a login with Discord button, right? So there are two ways to work with this cohort using AI agents. One is via this console, which is linked to the cohort site itself, and this console is there on each page. So let's go to home page again. So first way is to use the Ask Anything FBA agent on the cohort website itself. And the second way is basically to use a custom CLI. So the custom CLI is called First Break AI. All you have to do is npm install First Break AI. And then you can log in via Discord and complete the rest of the process, like completing your every step, checking what is the status, and other things. So we'll be enhancing this CLI to include even more functionalities. This is just the first step. First Break AI is powered by FetchLens.ai, which enables you to see every agent that visits your website. FetchLens AI is very powerful and it does not miss agent activity which other analytical tools miss. You can scan for free and check whether your website is ready, or you can visit the dashboard. And dashboard is very powerful. It tells you how many agents are visiting your website, whether you are getting any referrals or not, what are the unique sessions. And apart from that, a very powerful tool where you can see your MCP activity or model context protocol activity. And this helps you in CRO, in your content readiness, and you can understand where your content is lacking, both for AI agents and for your users. So a single website, FetchLens.ai, enables you to do both the things, see analytics, as well as build the entire AI agentic infrastructure. So our entire cohort is powered by FetchLens.ai. Now let's look at two ways by which we can see our status. The first one is, of course, by this widget. So we'll log in with Discord. Once you click, you'll be redirected to Discord, and it's asking for basic permissions like username and email. We'll authorize it. So now First Break AI is aware that you are a user. You can check your profile, and if you have completed previous steps, they'll be marked. And you can ask what is the next step, and here you go. It says you're logged in and you are ready for step 2, which is perfectly where we are right now. This is one way. The primary way for you to I'll just expand this so that it's just a moment. So I'll move this to editor area. Yep. Now you can see. Right. So what we'll do is we will type First Break AI and login. So I'm logged in. If you're not logged in, it will follow the same process. Just authorize via Discord and we are good to go. Once this is done, you can check the status and it will tell you the same story, where you are placed and what are the next steps for you. If you want to complete a particular step, you can basically type validate and the step name with 0 or 1, whatever it is. So it will check for various steps and complete the process, right? So this is one way to do it. And you can see that I can also add these MCP servers to my coding agents, be it Cursor, be it Claude Code. I can add these MCP agents to both. So the way to go about it is you have to go to Cursor settings. Yeah, here. I will go to Cursor settings and tools in MCP and add my server over here. The server link and all the details are there in this drop down. So if you pull this down, you'll see the URL. You can copy the URL and individual instructions, whether Claude Desktop, Claude Code, Cursor, other instructions are provided here. So you can easily add our MCP server here itself, right? So these are the two ways to go. And so if you ask for your status, again, the MCP server will work through it, log in, and tell you the status. Right. So these are the 3 ways actually by which we can use Agentic AI along with our cohort. This completely powers cohort learning, which is already a very powerful setup, and it checks every step and allows you to move forward. So I hope this is useful, and we'll connect for future lessons, and everything will be done through Agentic AI. So make sure that you log into Discord and complete all the steps, and use Agentic AI to power your learning journey. And is there anything else that I want to talk about? So yeah, so AI agents basically are, like your personal tutor, or it can form a nice close feedback loop for you. So as I mentioned, this entire setup is on FetchLens.ai, and you'll be able to set up your own MCP servers soon, and we'll be giving this information very, very soon. So see you in the next lesson.